Welcome to Oblov Tech, where curiosity meets discovery. Dive into a world of surprising facts, untold history, and mind-blowing knowledge. Whether you're a history buff, a trivia lover, or just someone who loves to learn something new every day, you've come to the right place. Get ready to be amazed. Join us on this exciting journey and prepare to have your mind blown with astonishing revelations. In the night that sent shockwaves across the Middle East, Iran unleashed its largest missile strike on Israel, with 200 missiles tearing through the sky. This marked a pivotal moment in the long-standing tension between the two nations. But what really happened that night? What truths remain hidden from public view? Today we will uncover the exact targets, the devastating impact, and something shocking that no one expected. According to Iran, this operation, known as True Promise 2, was an act of vengeance in retaliation for the elimination of key Hamas and Hezbollah leaders by Israeli forces. They claimed to have targeted major cities like Tel Aviv, Jerusalem, and the Negev desert, hitting key strategic sites. In addition to their Shahab-3 ballistic missiles, Iran unveiled their hypersonic missile, the Fatah, which moved at Mach 15 and had the ability to evade interception. Israeli defense forces, however, report that most of the missiles launched were intercepted by their defense systems like David's Sling, Arrow 2 and Arrow 3, alongside assistance from US naval ships stationed in the eastern Mediterranean. Out of the 200 missiles, 150 were successfully intercepted. Despite these defenses, the strikes caused chaos and led to significant damage across Israel. However, there is discrepancy regarding the number of missiles fired. Iran claims 200 missiles were launched, while US sources report the number to be around 180. The truth lies somewhere in between these conflicting accounts. What about the human toll? While many missiles were intercepted, a few managed to slip through. The strikes resulted in the loss of 12 Israeli civilian lives and dozens of injuries. Tel Aviv saw the destruction of a residential building, claiming 5 lives, while another missile hit a military base in the Negev, injuring 17 soldiers. The most significant damage occurred in the outskirts of Jerusalem, where a major power station was partially destroyed. Luckily, no fatalities occurred at this location. Iran contends that their missiles hit 90% of their targets, but Israeli officials quickly dismissed this assertion. The conflict of narratives is undeniable, but there is more to this story than meets the eye. Now let's talk about the US involvement. 2 Arleigh Burke-class destroyers, the USS Cole and USS Bulkley, played a pivotal role in defending Israel. They launched 12 interceptors to destroy the incoming missiles aimed at Israeli infrastructure. This marked the first time that the US directly intercepted Iranian ballistic missiles in defense of Israel. It was a subtle, yet impactful intervention. But here's the surprising truth that almost no one is talking about. Iran's hypersonic missiles, the ones that everyone feared could change the course of the war. According to sources within Israeli intelligence, only 2 of these hypersonic missiles were actually launched, and both were intercepted. This dealt a massive blow to Iran's propaganda, as these supposedly impossible to intercept missiles were proven to be ineffective. In conclusion, the night of Iran's largest missile strike on Israel revealed a complex web of truths and hidden details. While much of the operation was intercepted, damage and loss of life still occurred. The number of missiles fired remains a point of contention between Iran and US sources. The involvement of US naval ships in defense of Israel showcased a unique intervention. And perhaps most surprising of all, Iran's hypersonic missiles failed to live up to their reputation. As tensions continue to simmer between these nations, the full truth may slowly emerge, shedding light on the night that sent shockwaves through the Middle East. Thanks for tuning in to Oblov Tech. We hope you enjoyed this video and found the information valuable. Remember, if you want to stay up to date with the latest tech news, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an upload.